Hydra is a renowned password cracking tool favored by security professionals and ethical hackers. It is widely recognized for its efficiency and effectiveness in testing the security of systems. Think of it as a digital lockpick, capable of systematically trying different key combinations until the lock gives way. This makes it an invaluable tool for those looking to identify and rectify security vulnerabilities. Its strength lies in its speed, working through password combinations at a remarkable pace thanks to its ability to attack multiple passwords concurrently. This multi-threaded approach allows Hydra to test a vast number of passwords in a short amount of time, making it a favorite among cybersecurity experts. Hydra operates best within a specialized environment, and that's where Kali Linux comes in. Kali Linux is not just any operating system. It is a powerful platform designed specifically for penetration testing and ethical hacking. Kali Linux is a Debian-based operating system that comes preloaded with a suite of powerful tools, including Hydra. This makes it an ideal choice for security professionals who need a reliable and comprehensive toolkit for their work. Like a well-stocked toolbox, Kali comes preloaded with a suite of powerful tools, including Hydra, ready to be deployed for ethical hacking and security auditing. With its extensive range of tools, Kali Linux provides everything a cybersecurity professional needs to conduct thorough and effective security assessments. Whether it's password cracking, network scanning, or vulnerability analysis, Kali Linux has it all. The combination of Hydra and Kali Linux creates a formidable duo in the world of cybersecurity. Together, they empower ethical hackers to identify and address potential security threats, ensuring that systems remain secure and resilient against attacks. This powerful synergy between Hydra and Kali Linux is what makes them indispensable tools in the arsenal of any cybersecurity professional. Before we unleash Hydra, let's make sure it's properly installed. For those using Kali Linux, rejoice. Hydra comes pre-installed. Open your terminal and type. You should see a wall of text, the help menu. This confirms Hydra is ready to go. For users on other Linux distributions like Ubuntu or Fedora, fear not. Installing Hydra is straightforward. You'll need to add the official THC Hydra repository to your system's package manager. Then a simple or, depending on your package manager, will equip you with Hydra. Always remember to verify your installation using the command. Now let's learn to communicate with our tool. Hydra is a powerful tool used for brute force attacks, and understanding its syntax is crucial for effective use. Hydra's commands, while powerful, follow a clear structure. This structure allows users to specify various parameters and options to tailor their attacks. A basic Hydra command looks like this. Hydra L username p-wordlist.txt target _IP sh. Let's break it down step by step. The L flag specifies the username we are targeting. This could be a single username or a list of usernames. The P flag points Hydra to a file containing a list of potential passwords, our word list. This word list is crucial as it contains the passwords that Hydra will try. The target _IP is, of course, the IP address of our target system. This tells Hydra where to direct its attack. Finally, the sh at the end of the command tells Hydra to target the SSH service, attempting to gain access using the provided credentials. SSH is just one of many services Hydra can target. Word lists are the lifeblood of Hydra, containing collections of passwords that Hydra will systematically test. These lists can be sourced from various places, including leaked databases and common password lists. Building effective word lists is a skill in itself, often involving a blend of common passwords, leaked data, and context-specific terms. A well-crafted word list can significantly increase the chances of a successful attack. In addition to the basic syntax, Hydra offers a range of options to customize your attack. For example, you can specify the number of parallel connections, set timeouts, and even define specific login attempts. Understanding these options and how to use them effectively can make a big difference in the success of your brute force attempts. Practice and experimentation are key to mastering Hydra. Section 5, a practical exercise. Cracking a simple password, time for some action. Let's simulate a real-world scenario. We'll set up a virtual machine, our target, with a deliberately weak password. This provides a safe and controlled environment to practice our ethical hacking skills. Our target system will have SSH enabled, a common protocol for remotely accessing systems. We'll use a small, readily available word list for this demonstration. As Hydra diligently works through the word list, we'll witness its progress in the terminal. If successful, Hydra will proudly present us with the cracked password. Section 6. Delving deeper, advanced Hydra techniques. As you become more comfortable with Hydra, you can explore its advanced capabilities. Hydra is not just a simple tool for brute force attacks. It is a versatile and powerful utility that can be fine-tuned to meet your specific needs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, understanding these advanced techniques can significantly enhance your efficiency and effectiveness. Hydra offers a variety of options to fine-tune your attacks. You can customize your attack parameters to target specific vulnerabilities, making your efforts more precise and impactful. This flexibility allows you to adapt to different scenarios and challenges, ensuring that you are always prepared for whatever comes your way. Want to try different cracking methods, not just brute force? Hydra supports multiple attack methods, including dictionary attacks, hybrid attacks, and more. This means you can choose the most effective approach for your target, increasing your chances of success while minimizing the time and resources required. Hydra allows you to specify the attack method that best suits your target. By selecting the appropriate method, you can optimize your attack strategy and achieve better results. This level of customization is what sets Hydra apart from other tools, making it an essential part of any ethical hacker's toolkit. Need to test multiple usernames or password lists simultaneously? Hydra can handle that too, significantly speeding up your attack. By running multiple tests in parallel, you can quickly identify weak points and vulnerabilities, allowing you to address them more efficiently. Hydra can handle that too, significantly speeding up your attack. This capability is particularly useful in large-scale assessments, where time is of the essence. By leveraging Hydra's parallel processing power, you can complete your tasks faster and with greater accuracy. You can even fine-tune Hydra's behavior by setting timeouts, specifying port numbers, and even manipulating network settings. These advanced configurations allow you to tailor Hydra to your specific environment, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Mastering these advanced techniques elevates your ethical hacking game, allowing you to tackle more complex scenarios. With Hydra's advanced capabilities at your disposal, you can confidently approach any challenge, knowing that you have the tools and knowledge to succeed. Section 7. The Ethical Hacker. A responsible approach. With great power comes great responsibility. The ability to crack passwords is a potent weapon, and like any weapon, it must be wielded with caution and respect. Remember, unauthorized access to computer systems is a criminal offense in most jurisdictions. Ethical hacking hinges on obtaining explicit permission from system owners before conducting any security testing. Furthermore, responsible disclosure of vulnerabilities is paramount. If you discover a weakness, report it to the relevant parties so they can fix it, making the digital world a safer place for everyone. Section 8. Beyond the tutorial resources for further learning. This tutorial merely scratches the surface of Hydra's capabilities and the vast world of ethical hacking. To truly master this domain, continuous learning is key. There are a plethora of resources available to deepen your understanding. Books like Hacking the Art of Exploitation and the Web Application. Hacker's Handbook provide comprehensive knowledge. Online platforms like Cybersecurity and SANS Institute offer courses specifically on ethical hacking and penetration testing. And don't underestimate the power of community. Online forums and groups dedicated to cybersecurity are invaluable for exchanging knowledge and seeking guidance from seasoned professionals. Section 9. In conclusion, congratulations. You've now embarked on the path of ethical hacking, equipped with the knowledge of Hydra and a strong ethical compass. Remember, the skills you've learned here are not to be taken lightly. Use them responsibly, ethically, and always with the goal of making the digital world a safer place.